Here we come, Bahamas Strong. In Martin County on Florida's Treasure Coast, hundreds of volunteers are mobilizing to collect and pack tons of life-saving supplies for the victims of Hurricane Dorian in the Bahamas. The islands of Abaco and Grand Bahama, including the city of Freeport, suffered a direct hit from Dorian, a record Category 5 storm with devastating winds of over 185 miles an hour. As Dorian stalled over the Bahamas for more than a day, these once beautiful islands were obliterated, with virtually nothing left standing. Thousands of people there are now homeless, in desperate need of clothing, food, water, and medical supplies. Responding to this humanitarian crisis, Operation 300 has now opened relief centers throughout the Treasure Coast. Sarah Baldwin is the founder and president of Operation 300. She organized the charity in honor of her brother, Special Operations Chief Aaron Vaughn, who was killed in Afghanistan in 2011.
Operation 300 has assembled this location for us to take and receive goods and things that we need for the Bahamas. Everything from chainsaws to generators to water to food to clothing, medical supplies, diapers, you name it. The community has been coming non-stop today by the truckload, over and over and over again, dropping off all that I just listed above and then some. It's been just an absolutely amazing effort. We've had fantastic volunteers. People show up, they bring food, they're bringing supplies for people that are volunteering today. We just had a jet take off a few minutes ago, loaded with supplies to go to the Bahamas, so it's been an incredibly successful day. I can't express how proud I am of Martin County and all of its businesses, and all of its residents that are coming out here to help us today. Really a fantastic thing today.
And come they did. Hundreds of area residents answering the call, dropping off tons of essential supplies around the clock. Dozens of charity volunteers quickly packed those much-needed goods for shipment to the Bahamas. Won't you help? Please see the drop-off locations on your screen. Tax-deductible cash donations for fuel are accepted at Stewart Sailfish Club. Here we come, Bahamas Strong.